San Francisco is one of my favorite cities in America, maybe even the world. It is such a fun and vibrant city. The food, the nightlife, the nature nearby.
I suggest the literary section that we meet at City Lights, my favorite place in San Francisco.
It's going to be at the same hotel, and that was also one of the largest ATA conferences that we had.
It's a great location. It's on Market Street. It's close to the Embarcadero. It's walkable to a lot of the great neighborhoods.
The last conference there was my very first ATA conference, and I have such fond memories.
San Francisco is such a great city, so I'm really excited to go to the conference there again.
You can really make more money and make more income by trying to find the best approach to perfect your work at the end.
There was a huge turning point in my career after I started coming to ATA conferences, just because my network grew so greatly, and the people that I met and the referrals that come your way, whether it's 2 days after the conference or months or maybe even years after the conference, is really shocking and wonderful.
If you are here to learn and here to grow, it is maybe the best place for you.
Networking always opens up doors. You never know who you're going to run into or who you're going to have a conversation with.
For someone, again, who is serious about the translation and interpretation community and that wants it as a career, this is it. This is the place to be, basically.
You will go home with knowledge and with connections and with networking and possible job opportunities.
Once you come, you never stop coming, because the energy, the kindness, the knowledge is not replicable anywhere else.